This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. Okay, so on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. If you are in sync with the market, nothing else matters. If you are out of sync with the market, nothing else matters. So we're going to see how true that is, and we're going to flip over to our charts. And as usual, we're going to just do a couple housekeeping things here. We're going to talk about our first rule of trading is to make sure that you pay yourself first. Second rule of trading is that we're going to drop that stop loss in at our entry point. Once that trade takes off, we want to protect our trade and we want to pay ourselves. And our third rule of trading is our 50 period simple moving average. That is our buy sell indicator. And whenever that buy sell indicator is positioned in between the 200 and 500, that is our no buy, no sell zone. And rule number 4 is patience. Okay. So EUR USD, okay, this market is still in the no buy, no sell zone, and it's been in this zone for a couple of weeks here. So we just have to use patience before we get an opportunity to get in that market. We're going to have to wait a little bit. GBP USD, and this is also another market where it's no buy, no sell. So we got to be patient, and we're going to wait this out. USD CHF. Okay, this is also this market here, friends, is a buy market, and it's been a buy market for a while. There has been some pullbacks that have happened. The pullbacks has caused the fact that we have never, it has never ever hit our buy order. It has continued to pull back, but this is still a buy market. So two things is gonna either happen. First thing is that either the trend's gonna change because of the pullbacks, or the market is going to rally and we're going to see some profits. Okay. So those are the two things that we're waiting to either happen. And until then, rule number 4, we're just going to be patient and we're going to wait. The market will dictate what we do next. Okay. USD JPY. And I mention that is because we don't listen to news and all that kind of stuff. What we do is we look at the market. The market will tell you whether the market is going to be it's a buy market or whether it's a sell market. And then we trade within the trend. If it's a buy market, we buy. If it's a sell market, we sell. Okay. USD JPY. This is this market, no buy, no sell. In this particular market, we're going to wait this out. And there's reasons to that, friends. When the 50 period moving average is in position in between those 2 points, that's this danger zone. Usually there's the market is very erratic, and and basically the market is very erratic. Okay. There's a lot of different strings that are pulling on these countries' currencies. And we as traders are not privy to all the ins and outs of what is happening behind the scenes. But what we do know is what the market says and what we see on our charts. So when it's in the danger zone, we stay out of that until things get worked out. And the market will let us know when it's safe to trade. Okay. So EURCHF, this market here, friends. So we got into this market with a buy order a while ago, basically September of last year. So some of these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. So we like to get in early, and then we will ride these trends all the way up or all the way down. So this particular market, we got in very, very early, and we've just been paying ourselves off of this market. We have our stop loss in at our entry points. So our trade is protected. Now, for everyone else, this is our no buy, no sell zone. Our 50 period moving average has moved into a zone where we would not place any new trades. Whatever we have open, we let it ride. Okay, but for any new orders, we're going to put that on pause. EUR GBP. Okay, friends, this is a market that we've been buying, pullbacks are happening. We just have to be patient and wait. Okay. Like I mentioned, there's two things going to happen. Either the market's going to continue to pull back, pull back, pull back, and the trend will change to a sell, or the market will rally and we'll see some profits. So one or two things is going to happen. We're just going to be patient. Right now, the trend has not changed. It is still a buy market, and we will hold our trade open. In the event the trend changes on us, we'll go ahead and take our minor loss, jump out, reposition, and make our money back. Okay. And like I said before, we're taking maybe losses 2, 3 times a month, which is no big deal because we pay ourselves every day. So paying ourselves make up for the little minor losses that we have to take. Okay, moving on. EURJPY. This is also a buy market. We have our buy order in there, friends, but the market has pulled back on us. So we're just waiting. We're going to be patient and see what the market tells us to do next. Okay. GBP CHF. This is also a market. This was a sell market, friends. We have our sell order in here. The market has pulled back on us. So we're just going to wait and see. We're just waiting, being patient, okay? Either the trend's going to change. In that case, you'll drop in a buy order if the trend changes, and then we'll make our money back, okay? But for right now, the market still says it's a sell market, and we hold that trade. GBP, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect: no buy, no sell. CHF, JPY. Okay, friends, this is also a buy market. We've been buying it. The market pulled back on us, but it is still a buy market. But so we already got our order in there. But now for any new traders, since the 50-period moving average has moved in between the 200 and 500, rule number 3 is in effect for anyone who's not currently in this market. Okay, stay out of it. The rest of us, we're going to hold our trade and we're going to see what the market does next. Okay, so let's take a look at these oil markets. All of these oil markets have pulled back. We did have our buy stop order in here. It has never hit our buy order. The market has continued to pull back. For Brent crude, the trend has not changed as of yet, so it's still a buy market. And as you know, in the economy, the oil market is a hot topic right now. There's a lot of different strings that's being pulled, but what we know is what we see on our charts. The pullbacks are happening. Okay. That goes for Brent crude, Brent spot. It looks like the trend for these oil markets, for these two oil markets, is about to go to sell, but not as of yet. There's still a buy market. I would not place any more buy orders. Just hold off on that, friends. It looks like the trend's about to change. And so for WTI crude, this market, the trend has actually changed. For WTI crude has gone sell. Okay, we have our sell order in here, and we're just going to be patient and see if things head south. It hasn't hit our sell order as of yet, but we're just going to be patient. Rule number 4. Okay, so let's take a look at Bitcoin. Okay, so rule number 3 is in effect for those who are currently not in it. I'm not currently in the Bitcoin market. This particular market is too slow as a day trader. It's just there's not enough volatility for me, but there are day traders that do, and those that are taking part of it. This was a buy market. You're going to be paying yourselves. Everyone else, you stay out of it since we missed our window. So ETH/USD, another rule number 3 market in effect: no buy, no sell. LTC/USD, and this is also another buy market where no buy, no sell. If you're not currently in that market, you're out of it. Okay. Now let's take a look at silver. Silver has started to. Okay, friends. So this particular market, we have been buying silver for a while. We had a second order in there that we had to jump out of. But So we're paying ourselves off of silver. Um, but for everyone else who is currently not in this market, it's a no buy, no sell for silver. Don't get into that market. You missed your window. Everyone else, pay yourselves. Now let's take a look at gold. Gold is also a buy market. Hopefully you got your orders in there, you're buying, and you're going to be paying yourselves off of this market today, okay? Drop that stop loss in at your entry point. USD MXN. This is another market, another sell market. We're paying ourselves off of. So make sure you have your stop loss in at your entry point and pay yourself. EURNOK. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. I have my buy order in here. Market has pulled back, never hit my order. So we just got to be patient and wait and see what the market tells us to do next. This is the best way to trade, friends. The market tells you what to do. Is if it will either pull back and create a trend change, and it's a sell market, then you go ahead and place a sell order. Vice versa, okay? Can't get any simpler than that. EURZAR. This is another buy market. We got our buy order in there. We're making great profits. We're going to pay ourselves off of this market today, and we have our stop loss in at our entry point. So our trade is protected. Best thing ever. USD and OK. This was a buy market. Pullbacks have happened in this market. We were in this market once upon a time. We had our stop loss in at our entry point. So when that market pulled back, it hit our stop loss at our entry point, knocked us out the market. So we're not in that market anymore. And we're not going to get back in it for a while unless we see that the market starts to rally, which in this case it has not. So we are not placing any buy orders in at this time. So we're going to hang out. USD SEK. Rule number 3 is in effect for this particular market. No buy, no sell. USD SGD. Okay, friends, this is a market. This was a buy market. We have our buy order in. Unfortunately, the market has pulled back, never hit our buy order, so we're just being patient, okay? And we had another order in. We were originally selling this market way back when, probably back in September. We got in early, and we're still paying ourselves off of the sell order that we placed way back in. But now that the trend has changed, it's changed to a buy. We got a buy order in, but the market is very, very sluggish. So we're just waiting for to see what happens next. Okay. USD ZAR. This is a buy market, friends. We have our buy order in. The market is pulling back. The market has never rallied to even hit our buy order, but we just got to be patient. Like I said, there's two things are going to happen. Either the market's going to rally to hit our buy order, the market's going to pull back, create a trend change. In that case, we'll go ahead and pull out our buy order that never triggered, drop in a sell order. Easy, simple as that. So we have to be patient and wait on the market. The market will tell us what to do next. So we don't have to guess or wonder or anything like that. CAD, CHF. This is also a sell market. We've been selling this since the inception. We've probably been selling this since September. And like I said, these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. You get in early, you ride it down, you pay yourself every day, have your stop loss in at your entry point. You can't get any better than that, okay? CAD, JPY. This is another market that we're paying ourselves. Everyone who's in there with their orders, pay yourselves, okay? Also, friends, everyone who's currently not in this market, rule number 3 is in effect. So no buy, no sell for those who are currently not in this market. Everyone else, make sure you pay yourselves. EURCAD. Okay, this is also another market that we are paying ourselves off of today. Hopefully, you got your order in. We got in probably about, I don't know, October, and we've just been riding and paying ourselves every day off of this market. We get in early and ride the trend up. Now, the trend has since changed to a sell, but I would not place a sell order in this market because of the pullbacks. So just hold off on placing any other order. If you're not currently in this market, stay out of it. Everyone that's in it, we're paying ourselves. Okay, so be patient. Any new people in there, be patient. Do not place an order yet. GBP CAD. Okay, this is another market, friends, that we're paying ourselves off of today. And we got in probably, I guess, November of last year, been paying ourselves every day. Everyone else who's currently not in this market, um, rule number 3 is in effect: no buy, no sell. So stay out of this market if you're not currently in the market. Everyone else, you pay yourselves. USD CAD. Okay, this is another market we're paying ourselves off of again today. We got in probably September of last year, and we've just been riding this market all the way up. Okay, so if you're going to get back in this market, buy stop orders only. Okay, AUD CAD. Okay, friends, this is a sell market here. We have our sell order in. It's almost about to trigger our sell order, so we're being patient. We're going to see if things head south tomorrow morning. So just be patient. But this is a sell market. AUDCHF. Okay, this is a sell market. So, friends, we placed a sell order. We talked about placing that sell order. I think it was earlier this week. We got our sell order placed, and now we're seeing some profits, great profits. So, what we're going to do, we're going to pay ourselves off of this market today. We're going to drop that stop loss in at our entry point, and we're going to try to ride this sell market all the way south. Okay, get your make sure you pay yourself and drop in that stop loss in this sell market. And so we're going to see how long this particular trend lasts. Like I said, hopefully it can last up to 6 months, but we're crossing our fingers on that. Okay. AUDJPY. Okay, friends, this is another market that we are paying ourselves on today. We got in early, I think it was September, we got into this market, and we've been riding it down ever since. Now, anyone that's new don't have their orders in there. Rule number 3 is in effect: no buy, no sell, stay out of it. It's in the danger zone. You'll have another opportunity to get into this market, but for right now, stay out of this market. Rule number 4, patience. Be patient. AUDNZD. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect for this particular market. Friends, we have missed our window. We're just going to hang out. We're going to wait. We're going to wait, and be patient. AUDUSD. This is also another market. Rule number 3 is in effect. We missed our window. Maybe in a week or so, we're going to have an opportunity to get into this market once the 50 period moving average moves out of the danger zone, where we're free to start placing trades. But right now, we're not free to place any trades because of the market is very erratic. In between, when the 50 period moving average is positioned in between those 2 points, the market is very, very erratic. So we like to stay out of the storm. Okay, it's a protection for us. EURAUD. Okay, friends, this is another market we're going to be paying ourselves off. This is a buy market. We placed our order, I guess, maybe a week or so ago, 2 weeks ago. We got in. We're paying ourselves. Make sure you pay yourself. Drop that stop loss in at your entry point, and let's ride this out until the trend changes, and then we'll pull out. EURNZD. This is another buy market. We're paying ourselves off of it. We got in a couple weeks ago. We got our stop loss in at our entry point, and we're just going to ride this all the way up as long as we can. Can't get any better than that, friends. GBP AUD. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect, friends. No buy, no sell. Okay, we're going to wait this one out. The market is too erratic, too turbulent to get into this market. So we're riding that one out. Patience. GBP NZD. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. We actually bought this market, friends. We were seeing a little bit of profits. We paid ourselves, I think, a couple of times, but then the market pulled back on us, hit our stop loss at our entry point, and knocked us out of this market. You can choose to get back into this market, but it can only be a buy stop order only. Okay, buy stop orders only. NZD CAD. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. We have our sell trade placed. Actually, we have two orders placed. We have been buying this market since September of last year. So we have a buy order in that we've been paying ourselves off of every day. But then the trend changed, and the trend changed to a sell. So we placed a sell order, but the market has not pulled down to even trigger our sell order. It has continued to go up, 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 but we left our buy order in and we continue to pay ourselves off of that particular order, okay? Because we got in so early. We got in very, very early. So we just kind of been riding the tide, okay? NZD CHF. Okay, friends, this is a sell market here. We got our sell order placed. Looks like things are about to head, it's heading south. We're going to wait and see how tomorrow, the rally tomorrow, how that fares. And we will be back next week to report on how that is doing. So if it's looking good tomorrow, if you're starting to see some profits, go ahead and pay yourself and drop that stop loss at your entry point once you see that market starts to rally. Protect your trade, okay? NZD JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends, for this particular market. No buy, no sell. The market is too erratic. Like I said, there's a lot of different strings that are pulling on these markets, things that we do not know about. A lot of behind the scenes happenings in these different countries and their currencies, that currency market. So we like to stay out of the danger zone. Very, very erratic markets here. NZD USD. This is also another market. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We're going to stay out of these markets to protect ourselves. It's all to protect ourselves. The market is trying to protect us when it can signal that things are very erratic, and when to stay in, to get in and out of the market, okay? And right now it's saying to stay out the market. We're going to protect ourselves. Now let's take a look at the Dow Jones Index. Rule number 3 is in effect. Very, very erratic market, the Dow Jones. And we all, probably heard on the news and, listen to all these different reports. The market is very, very erratic. So we're going to stay out of the S&P. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500 because that's the same thing. Rule number 3 is in effect for the S&P 500. We're staying clear of that market because there's a lot of different happenings behind the scene happenings, okay, in those two markets. So let's look at the US tech index. This is another market, but this market is also, rule number 3 is in effect. The market is very erratic, and you probably heard on the news, a lot of layoffs, a lot of different things that are happening in the tech industry. So we're going to stay out of those markets. We're going to protect ourselves. There's a lot of markets we're going to be paying ourselves on today. Best thing ever. And then we're going to stay out of those dangerous markets. Japan index. Rule number 3 is in effect. Very erratic market. We're staying out of that. We're going to be patient and wait. And then let's take a look at DE30 index, or the DEX index. Now, this is a buy market, friends. We did place our buy order in. The market pulled back on us slightly. We're just going to be patient. We're going to wait and see how things pan out. So like I said, two things are either going to happen. Either the pullbacks are going to create a trend change, or the market's going to rally. We're going to see great profits, and we're going to be able to pay ourselves off up. So the market's going to tell us one of two things. If it says that we need to, if the trend changes, we're going to go ahead and take our minor loss, and we're going to reposition with our sell order and make our money back, okay? But the market dictates what we're going to do next. And right now, the market says this is still a buy market, and we're going to keep our buy trades in, okay? So we don't have to wonder or ask or anything like that. The chart tells you right in front of you. Okay, now we're going to take a look at UK 100 index. This market was a buy market. We were buying this market. We were making great money. We had our stop loss in at our entry point. So when the market headed south, it knocked us out the market. No loss. We paid ourselves a little bit. It knocked us out the market. And right now, because of the major pullbacks that are happening in this market, we're not getting back into this. Usually, major pullbacks will denote a trend change. When that trend changes, friends, when the market says, hey, this market has gone to sell, we're going to jump in and drop in our sell orders and we're going to ride this market down. Okay. Right now, the market still says it's buy. It's still a strong, it's saying it's buy. So we just have to wait for the market to tell us what to do next. We don't have to ask anyone. All we have to do is look at the charts that are in front of us. So, okay, friends, so that will end our chart analysis for the week. Go back and re listen to this. Make sure you're paying yourselves. Make sure you got your stop losses in there. The rest of the market, stay out of, protect yourselves from. You don't want to get caught up in the crosshairs and lose a lot of money. But we don't lose a lot of money because when the market says to get out, we get out. We don't try to hold on to a losing trade. We do not keep selling in the wrong direction. When the market says the trend changes, we change, we get out, we reposition, okay? And that will save you a lot of money. Okay, friends, that will conclude our chart analysis. We will be back Monday for more daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis.